Other news today, a community advocates and health professionals called on local leaders to do something to reduce lead poisoning among children. But all they're really doing is pointing the finger.
They're also asking them to comply with the city's rental inspections law, leaving the city and Erie County to go back and forth over how to make it happen. Dylan Morello has more on the issue tonight. Dylan.
Dave and Kelsey, community leaders held a rally today demanding more home inspections for lead, saying that the city has failed to comply with PRI laws for years. However, News 4 is learning tonight that that job doesn't fall solely on the city.
It's Erie County Department of Health that is responsible for lead and lead paint hazards. It's not the city of Buffalo. That is from New York State. Erie County is responsible for that. So we are a piece of the puzzle, but one piece, not the whole solution here.
New York law says the state's health department is in charge of lead removal and poisoning prevention. That duty is then passed on to county health departments. However, in 2020, the Buffalo Common Council created the Proactive Rental Inspections Law, meant to make sure rental properties are safe for tenants and are in compliance with city and building codes. The city telling us the Common Council never funded that program, yet is still conducting inspections.
The city has performed 4,800 inspections and issued 415 certificates of rental compliance. So it's something we're continuing to actively work on.
Still, advocates say the city is not doing enough to protect its children.
Half the black and brown children in this city live at or below the poverty level. And that means that many of them are living in substandard housing or housing that there is exposure to, as Andrea said, lead, mold, and other things that will have a negative impact upon their health.
Advocates say a letter has been delivered to the city demanding full compliance on the PRI law, giving them a month to prove that inspectors have been fully implemented.
There are 36,000 units covered by the PRI law, 36,000 units that are high risk, that need to be inspected, that need to get these certificates of healthy compliance. According to the letter, more than 200 Buffalo children are diagnosed with lead poisoning a year, the majority in rental units.
Not only you have the power, but you have the responsibility. The responsibility to protect these children and these families.
And tonight we tried to reach the Buffalo Common Council to see why they say and learn more information of why the PRI law has yet to be funded. No one was made available for comment. Still, the county and city does have resources to prevent lead exposure. That info is on our website. Reporting live in Buffalo, Dylan Morello, News 4.